Okay, so this is a quick setup video on how to mount the Sigma lens to the Sony ZV-E10 camera or any other Sony cameras. All you have to do is to look for this white dot on the lens and then the white dot on the camera, right? And then make sure that you match the white dot on the lens to the white dot on the camera and then twist it clockwise. There you go. Then you're good to go. Now if you want to remove it, just push this button down and then twist the lens counterclockwise easily. All right, so now this also applies to the Sony lens, right, that comes with the camera. Now this is the 50mm lens that comes with the ZV-E10 or any other lens that will come with the camera that you buy. Just match the white dot on the lens to the white dot on the camera, just like that, and then twist it clockwise. You're good to go. To remove it, just push this button down, twist it counterclockwise, and you are good to go. Now on Sony cameras, the dot is white dot on the lens and on the camera. On Canon cameras, it will be a red dot on the lens and a red dot on the camera, or any other camera, whatever color it is. All you have to do is just make sure dot on the lens and the dot on the camera. You just match it and then twist clockwise. Then to release, push down and twist counterclockwise, and you are good to go. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Peace out.